Dreamegg white noise machine. This is a portable sound machine, great for babies or adults, that will help you get to sleep. It has a powerful battery with 21 soothing sounds, great for both office or sleeping at home or just overall sound therapy. You could even bring this on a trip potentially to help you sleep in an unfamiliar environment. It has 6 white noise settings, 7 baby sounds, and 8 nature sounds, giving you a total of 21 different soothing sounds to choose from. As far as the battery goes, it's got a 1800 mAh battery compared to many others that have a 500 mAh one. So it will last through the night, even into daytime naps on a single charge. So if you say forget to turn it off, although there is the timer feature on there, you can see I'm selecting through the different options. It is ultra portable and lightweight, and of course cordless once you have charged it up. Also good for taking, say, on a walk, potentially, if you just want a sound on the go with you. Has a little tie on it too to tie it up. Check it out.